Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very simple vegetarian recipe, can be prepared in just few minutes. This is a healthy recipe which is tasty as well. 2 boiled potato. With the help of a fork, mash them, but make sure not to mash them fully. There should remain some unmashed portion too. In a separate pan, heat up 2 tablespoons oil, add 1 bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon radhuni. Fry them nice till the aroma is released. This is Jhinge in Bengali and Ridgegourd in English. Add 3 large Ridgegourd cut into cubes. Fry for 2 minutes. After frying for 2 minutes, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt, mix everything well. Cover the lid for 2 minutes. The Ridgegourd has already started to leave water. Keep the flame on medium to high. Taking out the bay leaf. Next in goes 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes more. You can see the Ridgegourd has left some more water. Now add the previously mashed potatoes. Mix well. Cover it again until everything is well cooked. After 4 to 5 minutes, uncover the lid. Adding 1 tablespoon sugar. This dish is a bit sweet. You can adjust it according to your preference. Adding 2 slitted green chilies. Mix well and cook for about a minute. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix well and cook it until the curry thickens. Simmer for 2 minutes. It's almost done. Put off the flame. Cover it for some time. This will help the aroma to retain in it. Serve this aloo jhinge curry with hot rice. This dish is perfect for summer when you do not feel to eat anything very spicy. To beat the summer heat, this is the recipe you should try it at home. If you have liked the recipe, please do subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Share the recipe with your friends and family. Until then, happy cooking!